How to install Ecobee3 to Carrier Infinity system. I've attached model numbers, pics, for the Carrier Infinity furnace, as well as model number of A/C unit.1. Coming out of the wall I have 5 wires, yellow, green, blue, white, red. 2. Lastly, here is what Ecobee Tech had to say. The Ecobee needs at least 5 wires for the heat/cool control, and additional wires are needed if your system has 2-stage heating/cooling, W2 and Y2 wires. A generic wiring from the Ecobee to the HVAC control would be as following: RCRGGCC Y1Y, or Y1 for 2-stage cooling, W1W or W1 for 2-stage heating, Y2Y2, 2nd-stage cooling, W2W2, 2nd-stage heating. Please consult the carrier manual or support on how to change the settings on the control board to switch to use the conventional 24 volts control input. 3. The carrier system has 2 wires, each, running into an ABCD connection on the furnace board. I need to switch the carrier pins to allow the 24V connection, unsure on this, and the correct way to rewire it to maximize functionality. I am fully aware that in converting my system I will likely lose variable fan speed and some communication functions of the carrier system. I'm completely okay with that. Thank you.
The Ecobee is a non-communicating stat, so instead of the ABCD terminals, you will use the lettered terminals in units. Outdoor.
Okay. So couple more clarifying questions. 1. Based on my Carrier Infinity model, how should I set the pin settings to move from ABCD wiring to 24 volts connection for Ecobee? 2. What do I do with the dual set of wires? I currently have 5 wires coming out of the wall upstairs, colors noted above, but at the furnace there are 2 wires going into each of the ABCD connections, 8 in total. There are also 2 blue C wires, which are not utilized in the current setup, that are available for connections. Thank you.
Wire as follows. You should not have to set dip switches. Board will recognize thermostat.
I'll give it a try. Thank you. It matter which set of wires I use for what? I ask because both sets of wires look the same. R, G, B, Y, W.
You need to make sure which set goes to thermostat. We need a green from there for fan.
Noted. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.